union government has been in hand in glove with the then state government in creating the havoc in the state. The ex-CM again said that the valley will be under him and the home minister will take care of the hill. Such a thing has never happened.
वहाँ के जो गवर्नर हैं, गवर्नर अभी 356 में हेड कर रहे हैं और गवर्नर के रोल को यहाँ नहीं डिस्कस किया जा सकता सर.
The union government has been in hand in glove with the then state government in creating the havoc in the state. Let me cite some of the examples. The CM said that whatever he did was on the advice and the consent of the Prime Minister Modi and the Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah. Similarly, the Home Minister said on this floor of the House that the CM is cooperating with us.
Honorable member,
So therefore,
तथ्यों के बिना सदन में बात नहीं करनी चाहिए.
no, I'm just saying. Now, not to waste time, let me continue, Mr. Speaker, sir. That ex-CM again said that the valley will be under him and the home minister will take care of the hill. Such a thing has never happened. The subversion of the federal polity and constitutional order was already there. And third, the example,
वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, इससे क्या मतलब है यहाँ?
the state government, the union home minister has been dictating terms with the then state government in terms of appointing officials, as if the now, an erstwhile Article 257A, as if that is still operational. The union government was dictating terms to the state government, changing officials, and so much so that some of the officers of the Central Security Forces bluntly on record says that we don't take orders from the state government, we take it from the union government. Such a subversion has happened right through the collusion between the state government and the union government.
ये 353 में सर वहाँ के जो गवर्नर हैं, गवर्नर अभी 356 में हेड कर रहे हैं और गवर्नर के रोल को यहाँ नहीं डिस्कस किया जा सकता सर. यही कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कहता है, यही रूल कहता है. 353 कहता है वहाँ गवर्नर रूल है, गवर्नर वहाँ शासन कर रहे हैं, गवर्नर क्या कर रहे हैं वो नहीं डिस्कस हो सकता है यहाँ पर.
Let's first have a clarity that the precedent rule in Manipur was not imposed in order to recover a constitutional order, because in collusion with the then state government, the union government itself has subverted the constitutional order and they are creating that kind of a lawlessness for 2 years.